Hey! Today, we are going to learn how to connect your UPS account with Return Prime to automatically create return labels. To start, you need to log in to your UPS account. Once you are in, click on the profile icon, and go to Accounts and Payment. You will find the account number of your UPS account here. Take a note of it so you can enter it on the Return Prime dashboard. Now click on Customer Support on the top right corner. Scroll down a little and on the right side click on Technology Support. On this page click on Developer Resource Center, and then on the next page click on UPS Developer Kit. Here you will need to click on Manage Access Key. On this page you will find an option, Request an Access Key. Enter the details and click on the Request Access Key button. Now we will enter these details into the Return Prime dashboard. The first thing you need to do is click on the Settings tab on your Return Prime dashboard, then click on the Logistics option. Find UPS from the list and click on the blue Activate button. Enter the account number and access key, which we just collected from the UPS dashboard, and credentials of your UPS account, then hit Save and Activate. You are all set. When your customers raise a request, you can approve it using the UPS option available under Logistics Partner, and a label will be sent to the customer instantly. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any kind of questions, issues during the process, feel free to drop an email to us at help@returnprime.com or make use of the live chat option available on your Return Prime dashboard, and we promise to ensure everything is up and running for you instantly.